Hi friends, welcome back to Joe Educare.
In this video, I have explained about two-way control of lamp. Let's get into the video. So we are going to discuss about two-way control of lamp. So two-way control of lamp is nothing but you are going to control a lamp from two different places. So I have drawn the wiring diagram or circuit diagram of two-way control of lamp. So I'm going to control a lamp from two different places. As I told you, we are going to use two switches. So by seeing the symbol of the switch, you can easily identify that both are two-way switches. So as I told you, you have three terminals in two-way switches. So I'll just name the terminals. This will be A, B, C and D. So randomly I will just name the terminals of the switches. So anyhow, this is the middle terminal will be the common. And as I told you, phase is always connected to switch and it is connected to the middle terminal, you can just see. And neutral is always connected to lamp according to the Indian electricity rules. So after drawing the wiring diagram or circuit diagram of two-way control of lamp, I'll explain you with the help of working table. So this is the working table. So in the first column, just draw the position of switch 1, position of switch 2 and last column will be your lamp condition. Here we'll have four different cases. I'll explain one by one. In the first case, position of switch number 1, I'll consider that switch is in A position, and the position of switch number 2, that will be this C or D. Out of these two, I will consider that switch number 2 is in C position. So in the same way, we'll be having four different cases. So one is A and C, one more will be A and D, and the third case will be B and C, D and D. You can write in any order, but don't repeat the orders. So now, according to the first case, the condition what we have written for switch number 1 and switch number 2, we will write down the lamp condition whether it is on or off. So for that, we will just check the circuit diagram or wiring diagram. So I'll explain you whether the lamp condition is on or off for first case. So case number 1, the position of switch 1 is A. It means that your switch number 1, that is this, the middle terminal is connected to A. It means in this position, the switch will be off condition, and position of switch number 2, which we have taken as C in case number 1, so it means the middle terminal is connected to first terminal, that is C terminal, which we have written for switch number 2. So in this position, the switch 2 is in off condition. Now according to this condition, we will find out what will be the lamp condition, whether it is on or off. So as I told you, from phase the current will start to flow. So from there it will reach to your switch number 1 to the middle terminal. Since your switch number 1 is in A position, it means it is connected to first terminal. So current will flow. Why? Because there is path. Then from A to C it will flow. Why? Because there is a straight line, which is nothing but there is a path for current to flow. So till C it will reach. From there, just check, there is one more path from C to the middle terminal. Why? Because your second switch is in C position. So the switch condition will be in this way. So when it reaches to the middle terminal, you can just see there is path to further flow from here to the lamp, and from lamp it is already connected to the neutral. So therefore now the circuit is closed circuit, current will flow, so the lamp condition will be on for case number 1. So case number 2, position of switch number 1 we have taken as A, it means same position. So in this position the switch is in off condition, and D, so D is nothing but here, so your connection will be here. So in this position your switch is in on condition. So now in this condition we will check whether lamp is on or off. From phase the current will start to flow, and from there it reaches here, and from here, since the switch number 1 is in off condition, it means it is connected to A, so current will flow till here. From here it will reach till C terminal. Now in second case, your switch number 2 is connected to D. You can just refer the working table, it is connected to D. So therefore what happens, here it is open, there is no path for current to flow, so therefore this circuit is open circuit, so the current won't reach to the lamp, so therefore the lamp condition will be off. So you have to just write off under the lamp condition for second case. In the same way, two more cases, that is third one. So now third case, when the switch number 1 is in B position, so B is nothing but, now A is off, it means B will be on. So I'll write inside the bracket as on. Now C is nothing but off. When the switch is at C position, your condition of switch will be off, and D is also on. When the switch number 1 is on, that is in B position. Now we'll see when this switch is in B position and switch number 2 is in D position, that is case number 4. Now what happens, once again the phase, the current will start to flow, it will reach till here to the middle terminal of your switch. From here, wherever there is path, the current will flow, so the path is connected to B, so current will flow from here to here, then the other path is here till D it will flow, then from here to here there is a path, so it will reach to the middle terminal of the second switch. From here it will reach to the lamp, and from lamp it is already connected to neutral, so now the circuit is closed circuit, so therefore the lamp will glow and the condition of lamp will be on for fourth case. In the same way, you can just check for third case, it will be off condition. You can just check in the same way how I have explained you. So in this way, you are going to explain two-way control of lamp.
Bible verse to meditate on.
Check out other videos in my channel regarding Basic Electrical and Diploma Mathematics 1. Please support this channel by subscribing to Joe Educare and click on the bell button to get the notification regarding new videos. Thank you. God bless you all.